So you got your Slypod. There are some really great creative ways on how to use it. Actually, in my past video I made some creative tips on how to use the Slypod, and the link will be in the description. Welcome back, I'm Mauro, and today we will talk on some creative ways on how to use the Slypod with the dedicated buttons and with the Moza Master App. If you are in a hurry and you don't have the time to connect your smartphone with your Slypod, there are some great creative ways to control your Slypod through the dedicated buttons layout. Holding down the power button for 3 seconds, you will power on the Slypod. The two control buttons, plus and minus on the top of the handle, allows you to control the 28 cm slide in 13 speeds. From the slower one to the faster one. So you have a great choice of speeds for your dedicated slide move. Holding down the plus and minus button, you will get an incremental speed to the maximum, or just to the desired speed by releasing the press to the plus or minus. Holding down the plus and minus button together, you will enter the reciprocating mode. You will know that you are in that mode when you see the blue flashing light for 1 second. This mode will allow you to make reciprocating in and out moves, controlling the speed with the plus and minus buttons. As you can see, it goes in and out all the time until I stop it. Double click the power button to stop the operation. Let's go to the smartphone control. You will need to download the Master Moza app. The connection happens via Bluetooth. Search for the Slypod and press connect. You'll get the device information. Press enter. You will be presented with the main screen with some different options: remote control, creative video, silent mode, device info, upgrade, and settings. Let's go to the remote control mode. Here you can find the up and down movements and the speed settings from 0 to 100 for that fine-tuning movement. You can also choose to slide the Slypod on the center slide option. The gear shift mode will allow you to have an incremental, gentle slide from every part or end of your slide. It acts like an automatic gear shift of your car, incrementally going faster. We are going straight to the creative video feature. In this mode, you will be able to adjust up to 5 segmentation programmed slides with different speeds and longevity of the slides. Okay, let's make a 5-point segmentation slide. First slide, let's make it only 167 mm long. Time settings, let's say 50 seconds with the smooth transition between the slides. Adding another pad is simple, and I will choose a different lens speed, this time a different pad. I will do the same for the 3 remaining segmentations. Once you finished, press start. You will be asked for a delayed start if you like to have more time to prepare for the shot. I will put just 5 seconds because I am ready. The Slypod will return to 0 and start the programmed in and out slide of the segmentation. Let's have a look on my test. is a great way if you want different segmentation slides for your shot, adding a unique look. With the Slypod there is also a step segmentation for time-lapse where you can choose the total length of the slide. How much frames moved in millimeter for each loop settings, the shutter time selection, and the interval of the moves between every moving frame. This feature is great when you are making long exposure time-lapses and you want that steady shot when your shutter is open. Well, it will work for any other time-lapse shoot that you are making. Let's have a look on my test shots. There you have it, all the Moza Slypod shooting features for your new shooting adventure. Thumbs up if you liked, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.